Good morning, everyone. This is Sami here from Agronomy Solutions. This is my second video with the doctor. The previous video I have not, I mean, I have not posted, but I'll be posting very soon because a lot of, edits were there. So, like now, the project is completed, and it was pleasure working with doctor. He has made us know what actually uh, he's coming up with, because we have never seen in the coffee industry that like this. Even this will happen because he's a man of innovations and creations. So, doctor, can you just tell our viewers a little more? Because first video it will be coming shortly. The second video, this is the second video after the completion of the work what we have done, what we are doing it. So, a little bit of glimpse, like what exactly, how you're innovating. Innovating your own technology, which was written in the book a long time back. So, if you could explain about this, it would be a pleasure.
Okay, friends, we are at Joe's Eco-Friendly Coffee Plantation. We had a dream written in a book called Eco-Friendly Coffee Volume 1. And in that book, we had a vision called Vision 2025. And in this vision, we have clearly envisaged that 1,000 horsepower engine will be kept at this particular tank, done by Agronomy Solutions
And Viresh,
and Viresh. It is 300 feet in length, 250 feet wide, and a phenomenal depth of 37 feet. Once again, Agronomy Solutions has broken the record. Last year they got a lake done which was 34 feet, and this year we have 37 feet. Here the speciality of this lake is we also have a jack well, place earmarked 20 feet by 20 feet, and it has gone down almost 44 feet. It was very challenging. There were rocks inside, but with all these challenges, Agronomy Solutions with Viresh has come out in flying colors. I am very grateful to Agronomy Solutions for this remarkable job done, and we will, with this lake, irrigate 100 acres in 24 hours. That is a very, very easy thing now. It is no more a challenge because the infrastructure was already in place. All we wanted was a 37 feet lake, which was 300 by 250. Both of you have done a remarkable job. I'm really grateful to you all.
one point, doctor. Like now you are coming up with 1000 HP, that is 1000 HP.
1000 HP, yes.
So, you were like you had written in your book, this is your dream project. Like it's a pleasure we being a part of it.
Yes.
This 1000 HP, when you're installing it,
Yes.
you had any fears, or you were totally, you had done your homework 25-30 years back? How's it? I just wanted a
No, totally a fear factor.
okay.
One,
Because most of the people, what I have understood here is, most of the people, they come and they want to see, or you want to, when you want to, start this genset, you might require a huge,
you need a petrol bunk.
huge diesels and all that.
Huge
So,
ecosystem.
was there any fear factors?
Yes, tremendous fear factor for the simple reason no engineers came to my rescue. They said that it was an impossible project. The best of the best engineers said it is not possible for the simple reason we are talking of discharging 12,500 liters per minute.
12,500 liters per minute. Wow.
And we are looking at completing 100 acres in 24 hours with a discharge of 12,500 liters. Almost 15 crore liters of water should be available to suck it out. At this tank that you got it done with all the challenges is really hats off to you. And I have always believed in Agronomy Solutions and Viresh. I have yet another project for next year. It won't be told to you today. When next year comes, I will let you know. Pleasure working with you, Samir and Viresh. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So this is the few points what out of his busy schedule, I just asked him that like if you could tell a little bit of points to the viewers. So now we'll just show you the glimpse of the doctor's pipeline. A pipeline cover mabadi. This is a huge pipeline what he has installed. Uncle, doctor, I mean, it's been almost how many years?
Yeah. This pipeline was installed in the year 2010.
2010.
Yeah, almost 15 years back.
15 years. Okay.
This is a 1 foot diameter pipe, and ultimately the water that goes to the jet is from 1 feet to 8 inches to 8 inches. So 16 inches of water, that is more than 1 foot of water, is going right to the end of the jet. And these jets are special jets. I don't think anybody in India has operated these jets in the coffee ecosystem. The name of the jet is Jiminy, and I'm very transparent in whatever I say. You go to www.simiirrigation.com. Each jet covers an area of 5 acres. We have a pillar here. I do not know whether you can focus on that pillar.
ಆ ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜೆಟ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್
zoom.
That
So
is the jet
this-
that you are seeing.
This is a jet where doctor is
It is a Gemini jet. It's all on the internet. Each jet can cover a distance of 5 acres.
the jet which is right behind you, doctor.
Yes, that's the Gemini jet on a tower which is 25 feet in length.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
It looks a huge monster.
Yeah, it's a monster. Definitely a monster. Yes.
So how many acres will this cover, doctor?
This easily it covers 5 acres.
5 acres.
And all the specifications are on the net for verification.
So 5 acres.
Yes, and each acre is 43,560 square feet. Multiply by
So
5.
everything is installed on the pillars.
Yes, all on the pillars. Everything on the pillars.
Okay.
To take the
So the whole season it will be on the pillars.
yes. Throughout.
And how about the servicing, doctor?
Servicing, I have made special lifts for that.
Okay.
We just attach 2 bolts and nuts and the lift goes up.
Okay.
We service it and we come down.
Wow.
Because safety is very important in our
Wow.
plantation.
See, these are the few inputs what we have to see, and like as I've clearly told you people that like innovation and creation, especially in this industry, is possible by the knowledge what doctor, as he has told in his earlier statement, big engineers couldn't help him out. Only his knowledge has helped him out. So you have to give respect for the knowledge economy, and most of the people who has not gone through his books, you can just go through how his dream is coming true today. So this thank you doctor for
Thank you,
giving
Agronomy Solutions. Thank you, Viresh.
giving
Hats off to you all.
giving a glimpse of it.
Working with you all.
See, this is actually a jackwell where it's coming. So doctor, still how many days?
I think this will take another at least 2 more months.
So you can see the bricks there already ready there. So today we are leaving. Your date, Viresh? Today we are leaving on 3rd June. So the next immediately within 15-20 days the doctor will finish this. So this is a jackwell. This is a tank. Inside the tank we have made one more tank just to keep the water storage, because 1000 HP is coming. So water storage is important. What you have to understand, the last year we had made a tank at the same Kirali estate. That was yesterday depth ito Vireshado. So that was 34 feet.
This is 37 feet.
37 feet ಇದು
This is 37 feet. That is 34 feet. This is 37 feet.
ಜಾಕ್ವೆಲ್ದು ಒಂದು 15 ಅಡಿ
And Jackwell
15 ಅಡಿ
Extra,
15 ಅಡಿ.
34 plus
extra.
14.
Okay. These are the specifications what you people are seeing here. So thank you, doctor. Thank you
Pleasure,
for giving us time,
Samir.
for
Thank you
giving
so much.
the information to my subscribers, because doctor is a totally busy man. Today we requested, because it was the last day, we requested him to just to give 10-15 minutes of time of doing it.
I just
So
want
you
to
can
end
just
up,
have a
Samir,
Chandro.
ಸರ್ ಹಾಯ್
Thank you, Chandro.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಸರ್
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಟುವ Chandro.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ಹೊರಟಿದೆ ಸರ್
Done.
Thank you for your very professional approach.
No, uncle, nothing. We have to, I mean, when we are into the service-oriented industry, uncle, we have to do it. We have to prove ourselves and move on. Thank you, one and all. Keep liking my videos. If people who have not subscribed my channel, please press the bell button and subscribe my channel. Please like my videos. Please share it to get the more informations about the projects what we'll be doing. Let's meet on the next vlog. Thank you.